Okay, hello guys and welcome to a new video. Okay, today is Monday, 10 July. Okay, a lot of channel always give fake hope about bad marketing, luxury marketing, but I'm here. Okay, I'm here to share with you the real journey of a trading. Okay, but what you need to do is first, actually is knowledge. Okay, second is experience. After you get the knowledge, you need to apply it, and then you need to have experience. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, first, second, try to focus on it. Okay, for today I will give 3 part of video maybe, but I will try. Okay, but first we need to identify the direction of gold for this week. What will happen? Okay, this is the goal. Okay, we only focus on gold. Okay, now we need to know how to analysis. You can use line chart or candlestick. It's dependent on you. Okay. Okay, as for now, I'm using the line chart to identify the direction. Okay, so we go on from monthly. I can see have trend line here. Okay, have trend line here, trend line buy, but overall, all the resistance breakout with this momentum. Already breakout, right? Okay, already breakout. And if we focus on monthly, this is R. Breakout will be support zone. What is this? RBS, right? So as we can see at monthly, okay, at monthly also have engulfing buy, but the buy is too big. But overall on monthly, the direction is okay. Monthly show us gold buy. Okay, so weekly. Okay, step by step from monthly. Okay, you can check this one from monthly, weekly, daily. This is how to analysis from higher to small time frame. Okay, from big time frame to small time frame. You understand? So next is weekly. Weekly. If we use this trend line, yes, have trend line here. From this resistance, support, have trend line, right? But we can use this. But the next analysis, we can use this resistance at current market price at level weekly. This is R. Okay, I give you a potential. What will give? Okay, this is R. Breakout, pullback, and fly. This is RBS. But the next confluence is gold still can falling here and pull back here and falling down here will be HNS setup. But this is weekly, take time. So what we need to do is just waiting any possibility that market can give to us. Okay, so as for now, weekly still showing us gold still can fly. Okay, at least gold can fly until this level. Okay, at least gold can fly until this level, or okay here. Turn to line chart. Okay, just marking here. Okay, if gold fly, gold have possibilities fly until 1947. Okay, why? Relax. I will tell you soon why. Okay, so weekly. Okay, always update at your trading journal. Bye. Okay, this is 10 July. Okay, 10 July on gold. Okay, next is daily. So we need to analysis. What next for daily? Okay, daily. Okay, daily still don't have any decision, because this is I marking what is point A, what is point B. This is point A, resistance. This is point B, support. This is support. This is the resistance. This is point A, point B. Gold already reached from point A to point B, from here until here. Already reached. Okay, what next? We'll break the point B and pull back and keep fly, or we'll return it back to point A. Okay, what happened? What will happen? Because this is only the possibilities gold can give to us. One, point A to point B, point B maybe to point C, point B back to point A. What do you think? Because the daily resistance still not break out and have engulfing resistance daily. And you can mark this level also. Okay, this is level that you need to monitor. Tomorrow will be break or will still respect for daily. This is level support of daily. You can also monitor the both support. Okay, as for now indecision, because daily at the current resistance and still not respect, I expectation gold still can falling. So daily is sell. Okay, daily is sell. Why? Because the direction or daily still not closing on breakout. So my expectation is gold still can selling. Okay, H4. Wow, this is new candle actually. For H4 still not breakout. Okay, for H4 still not breakout this level of resistance. Or gold still not breakout 1930. 1930 still not break. Okay, 1930 still not break. So we need to analyze the confluence why gold falling. Okay, first we can use the trend line. See. Okay, you can use the trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch, breakout, pull back, touch again, and boom. And fly again, and boom. Okay, so the structure of breakout still respect the trend line. Okay, still respect on H4. Still respect. And H4, as you can see at the current resistance here, still have shadow only. Shadow and rejection. Rejection. And also the new H4 still close at the lowest one, not the highest one. So still have potential for selling. Okay, understood? Still have potential because why? Because the resistance still respect, not breakout. So I can say it's H4 still selling. Okay, still selling. So H1, what next? Oh, H1 didn't have any setup because for H1 for small time frame at okay, we turn to M30 also. Okay, this is already risky. Okay, if you want try for buy or H1, M30, M15, you go on scalping, not on intraday. Because of why we need to marking all possible roadblock that gold can reach, that gold can break out. Okay, just marking. This is the lower time frame, which is H1, M30, M15. You can use like this, how to marking area. Okay, but this is just the direction. I will share the new video about how to marking the killer zone. Stay tuned. Okay, for the H1, okay, for H1, 50-50. Because H1 need to make a bullish run. Because to make a cycle, a perfect cycle of the structure. Okay, so what we need to do, just waiting for the candlestick. Okay, just waiting for the candlestick, just waiting for the new pattern. What will happen? Just marking the support point B, the just marking point and the resistance point A. If break the highest one, we need to wait the structure of buy. If have structure of buy, we buy. Okay, if break the point of B, we need to wait for the structure for selling, waiting the pullback. If has structure, we need to find sell. Okay, you got it? So the TP is always, you need to find all support you can use as a TP. Okay, this is H1 support. This is H1. Okay, if you want find the lowest on TP at M30, you can marking here. Okay, if M15, also you can marking here as a TP. But gold need to break this level first before we want focus on sell. Okay, if can break this level, yes, gold can fall. Just waiting for the pullback and then we can sell. Okay, this is just analysis, how to determine the direction, which is any time frame, what the direction is it. So H1, a decision 50-50. So this is how to marking the zone or to identify the direction from buy time frame. We analysis from big time frame to small time frame, and we already identify the higher time frame, the direction is buy, but the lower time frame is sell. Okay. So I already told you how to mark in the point A, point B. Point A at let's say you can use as a resistance. Point B you can use as a point support. So the confluence is gold need to reach for the resistance or resistance need to reach for the support. That's all. Okay, I hope you guys understand.